Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a cozy, stylish and budget-friendly piece of outdoor stuff. The Columbia Steens Mountain 2.0 full zip fleece jacket. Whether you are planning a fall hike or just need something comfortable, this jacket is popular for a reason. So let's explore why it's a top choice for so many. So starting with the material, it's made from Columbia's own MTR filament fleece. This 100% polyester fleece is soft to the touch and provides excellent warmth without adding extra bulk. A lot of people love this because you get the cozy feel of a heavier jacket while still being easy to move around in. The fleece is great for those cooler days in fall or spring. You can wear it alone when temperatures are mild, and it works even better as a layer under a heavier coat for added warmth in winter. It's flexible and breathable, so you don't have to worry about overheating. Now let's talk about the full zip design. Not only does it give the jacket a classic look, but it also makes it super versatile. With a full zipper, you can easily adjust it for the temperature. Zip it all the way up for maximum warmth, or unzip halfway if things start to warm up. It's also convenient for those quick transitions between indoors and outdoors. Just zip up when you head out and you are good to go. Now let's take a look at the pockets. This jacket comes with two large side pockets that zip up to secure your belongings. These pockets are super handy for storing essentials like your phone, keys, wallet, or even a pair of gloves. And since they zip, you don't have to worry about things falling out during a hike or jogging. Whether you are hitting the trails or just running errands, these pockets add a nice layer of convenience. One thing that sets the Steens Mountain 2.0 apart is its timeless style. The fit is relaxed and comfortable, making it perfect for everyday wear. It's got a classic look that works for outdoor activities as well as casual outings, truly versatile. And Columbia offers this jacket in a range of colors, from neutral tones to bolder options. There is something for everyone. It's easy to find one that matches your personal style or complements your wardrobe. The cuffs and hem have a bit of elasticity, which helps the jacket keep its shape and fit snugly, keeping out the wind and cold. And the collar adds a nice touch, providing extra warmth around the neck when you zipped up. And finally, we can't forget to talk about value. This jacket offers impressive quality and warmth for its price, which is why it's so popular. Compared to high-priced fleece on the market, the Steens Mountain 2.0 is a steal. You are getting Columbia's trusted quality and comfort at a fraction of the price. With this jacket, you are truly getting more than you pay for, whether it's in everyday fleece or a reliable layer for outdoor adventures. So there you have it, the Columbia Steens Mountain 2.0 full zip fleece jacket. If you are looking for something warm, comfortable and affordable, this might be the perfect fit. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.